Okay. The male horse coat has the blue collar on, and the little girl has the pink collar on. The black pugs belong to my dog sitter, so at least it'll keep them over there and entertained while I try and catch a video for you. This is the male. This gives you a good shot of the difference in the bulk and size of the two. He's quite a bit taller, and she's quite small and feminine. Up, up, up. Up, up. Oh, that's the male. I thought it was the bitch. It is the bitch. God, Sandy. And there's the boy and the girl. Darn it. Where'd they go? Sorry.